हाय गाइस, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो मैं आपके लिए आ चुका हूँ एक और एंटरटेनिंग वीडियो लेकर। और भी है वह हमेशा मेरे सेटिंग करनी पड़ती है।
TJ's over there. I don't know if you want to talk to him first or after,
तो
but let me
लास्ट
know when
टाइम
you're ready
हमारे
to see
बड़ी
the body.
खुशखबरी मिली जो कि हमारी ये है
I want to be
स्नो,
there.
ये जिंदा बच गई थी।
Buffkin, do you have a second?
Of course, Miss Snow.
वहाँ पे टॉड है ना। हाँ
Oh, that's enough. Mira, vanish, cancel!
What the hell are you doing?
Bigby, you ready to apologize?
What's going on?
Threatened me in front of my boy.
Front of my
Did you
boy?
fucking forget? I didn't, and neither did he.
TJ,
टीजे,
I know you're scared,
आई नो
but we would like to talk about what you found. If that's okay with you.
Okay with you?
It's up to you,
Can
TJ.
help us?
It would really help us, TJ.
I want to help.
Help? क्या help? बता 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 बता। बोल 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 बोल।
Watch yourself, Bigby. You do anything to hurt me.
You are still big B. बड़ा तो क्या है?
It's okay.
So I scared you.
Sorry if I scared you.
हाँ यार।
Go ahead, TJ.
Go ahead, टीजे।
I go swimming at night sometimes, in the river. I wasn't doing anything bad. I promise.
Promise.
Of course you weren't.
We know you're a good kid,
What
TJ.
do you do?
Just tell me what you saw.
तुमने क्या देखा?
I was there, under the big blocks, and I heard noisy feet. And when I hear that, I'm supposed to go underwater and stay real still and quiet.
That's right, son.
Oh, whoa.
Then I saw the lady.
कौन थी कौन थी भाई?
It's okay, son. Careful, Bigby.
I wasn't.
अरे
I
यार।
know.
The lady fell in,
But
but
she.
but she didn't have her head on. I thought she was gonna pull me down too. Cause she had rocks on her feet and she kept falling down in the dark parts.
Cinder blocks tied to her ankles.
कुछ
Is there more,
समझ में नहीं
TJ?
आ रहा कुछ।
Is it true? You know when people are lying? I heard you could do
It's
that.
magic, it's my job.
That's
Please
why
get
you're
the
the
truth.
sheriff.
अबे यार, please
Yeah,
get the truth.
it's my special power. I always know when people aren't telling me the truth. Is there something
He
else
will
you want to say?
remember
Please, don't be mad.
What is it, TJ?
I didn't stay under the water.
What?
I know I'm supposed to, but I was scared, and I went to the top again. I couldn't help it.
I gave you very specific rules. You have to stay quiet and out of sight or bad things can happen. I told you.
You shouldn't have lied.
I'm sorry.
We'll discuss this when we get out.
So you didn't stay
Hello.
underwater.
I don't know if anyone saw me, but someone said, "Stop laughing."
क्यों?
And then I was scared, and I went under for as long as I could.
Wait, you heard someone?
Yes.
Why didn't you tell us
Let him go.
before?
Okay, TJ.
I'm sorry. After I came up again, there was no one there, and I ran home, that's all. I
but-
promise. I want to go
You can
home.
go.
Okay,
You can go.
you can go.
अरे यार।
You, TJ.
Okay, son.
Thanks.
Yeah, thanks.
Come on then.
यार सही में यार तेरी तेरी इतना खतरनाक क्यों हो सकता यार सही में। वो उसके पीछे पड़ा हुआ है स्लो के।
That went about as well as I expected.
Expected. मैं तुझे
You
क्या हो
want to
गया?
go look at the body now?
In a minute.
In a minute.
When you're ready.
बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं बस देखने के लिए। पहले मिरर के पास चलते हैं यार। मैजिक मिरर, टॉक टू।
Hey, mirror.
Hello, Bigby. Nice to see you.
अच्छा, who's the killer? What was Todd watching? Did you know so was alive? हाँ.
You probably knew Snow was alive the whole time, didn't you?
हाँ.
Possibly so, but the moment has passed. You didn't rhyme, and you
And-
never asked. But as you know, I'm quite prolific, if you want me to show you someone specific.
अरे show me Lily?
Mirror, mirror, show me Lily. And yeah, I think this rhyming thing is silly.
Some things cannot be revealed. Once again, these lips are sealed.
अबे तू
Figures.
किस काम का भी है या नहीं? पागल।
Mirror, mirror, show me Holly the troll, or I'll throw you down a hole.
No need for threats.
Where can I find Tweedledum? That piece of scum.
ओ ये तो उसकी गाड़ी है ना? गाड़ी ये तो उसकी गाड़ी है वे।
Okay, Mirror, can you see where the fuck is Tweedledee?
ये भी शायद गाड़ी में ही है ना? अब यार कुछ समझ में यार क्या ये उस होगा? लगता है खराब है या तो ये बड़ी मज़े चीज़ है भाई।
Well, that's appropriate.
हाँ भाई ठीक है मतलब मत ले लेना ठीक है ना?
And acids. Maybe this has been harder on him than I thought. The moon. Usually this is about deception or confusion. But for me, well, who knows?
समझ नहीं आ रहा।
I hope you can find what you're looking for.
Okay.
Pity these can't solve murders.
ओके फिर घूमते हैं यहाँ पर थोड़ा बहुत जरा। अब कहाँ अटक रहा है वो उससे बोलेगी तो अटकू है। अबे स्क्रीन काम कर रही मेरी। अबे क्लिक इतना क्लिक कर रहा था तो हो ही नहीं क्लिक।
Beauty and Beast. Always putting on a show for each other. I will get to the bottom of this.
अब ऊपर कर रहा हूँ भाई।
I
इसमें
meant what I said, Snow. Seems like not much has changed between me and Woody.
इधर 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 भैया क्यों बोला बे? अबे इधर 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 पहले पहले इधर पहले ये अंदर हो रही है। अबे क्लिक क्यों बोला बे? अब से पहले पहले वहाँ से चल चल। दिमाग खराब कर रहा पहले ये। अब होगा क्या वो यूज़? अब होगा क्या कर? और इतना क्लिक कर रहा था वो परफ्यूम। लगा देखिए यार कैसा है। चला जा टॉक कर ले सर इसमें टॉक।
So, check out anyone who fits that profile. You might start with Bluebeard.
Right away, Miss Snow.
Are you ready to examine the body now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I almost forgot.
अच्छा ही तो वो है
Come on.
इसकी वो लाश आई मीन इसका सर कटा हुआ। बाय द वे इनमें दिक्कत आ चुकी है कि ना कभी कभार मेरी वीडियो में मेरी आवाज़ कम आती थी और इनकी आवाज़ ज़्यादा आ जाती है, तो कभी कभार ऐसे है ना नज़रअंदाज कर दिया करो बिकॉज क्या बोलूँ मैं बस। ओ भाई ये रही स्नो की बॉडी। ओ भाई पूरी पूरी बॉडी है तो हमें पास गला मिला था।
Wow.
Are you
I
okay?
didn't realize. I've never seen her face before
This is
now.
weird.
This is weird.
Yeah. The glamour is so effective, it's invasive. But just do what you need to do. Check her mouth. There might be a ribbon in there, like before. Anything?
Nothing.
यार तू
Can you?
पूरी बॉडी संभालने के यहाँ पर रख रखी है बदबू नहीं आ रही है। पर एक दो दिन हो चुके हैं पर बॉडी रखे हुए सड़ भी नहीं रहेगी मतलब ठंडा की नहीं है बिल्कुल भी।
Looks just like Faith's did.
हाँ
But there was nothing in her mouth this time.
ये
Do
सब
you think it
फेक
was done
मारी
by the
थी।
same person?
Hard to
हमें
tell.
वही लड़की
Did
जो तुम्हें
Dr.
पहले बोली
Swinehart
थी।
ever get back to you about Faith?
No. He said he wanted to run more tests.
ओ भाई ठीक है।
Rope marks.
She was tied up.
They tied cinder blocks to her ankles.
या तो शायद इसने बांध के रखा था
Oh.
कि ऐसे इतने सारे तेरे बर्तन पीछे को बांध के रखा वो। इसके हाथ में कुछ है
Her
शायद।
fist is clenched.
So she fought back?
No marks on the knuckles.
Oh,
Maybe she was grabbing something?
maybe.
और भाई खोल अरे यार प्राय ओपन टू ओपन फर्स्ट नहीं
What are you doing?
Only way to find out.
ओके ओके फिर दबाना है मुझे पे ताकत लगानी है। ये खुल गया।
Jesus, Bigby. What is it?
क्रिस्टल ये भी फ्लावर
Flowers.
फ्लावर्स।
Yeah.
ओ भाई अबे अपनी इन्वेंटरी का इधर उस पे कहाँ गया? अबे गन भी थी अपने पास ठीक है।
She used Bundy drugs?
Looks that way. Pretty heavily, too. I hear they only go for the legs if they've used up the veins in their arms, or if they're trying to hide the marks. Anyway, it means it's not a perfect match to your leg.
परफेक्ट मैन
Unless...
योर लेग।
Don't be ridiculous.
ठीक है अच्छा उसके
That's
पास भी है ना
weird. I don't wear a brooch like that.
ये इसके पास
Maybe
भी है।
it really belonged to her.
आवाज तेज कर
Part of the
रही है।
glamour.
Looks like something from the homelands. Bafkin, do you recognize these symbols?
No, nothing.
एक
I've
सेकंड
seen
एक
before.
सेकंड ये समझ के पहले देखा है।
If the glamour is supposed to make her look like me, shouldn't it be
ऐसे
concealing things
देखा
like
मैंने ये भी।
track marks?
जो हम बुक में था
And
वो
brooch too.
जो हमारे दोस्त के
Why
एपिसोड
would it
उसमें था
change
ये।
everything else? I've never seen one this sloppy.
ग्लैमर।
It might be a cheap one, just to get the job done.
The witches upstairs know what they're doing. That's
तो
why
भाई
they
यार
cost so
वो बुक
much.
के आज ना यार शेड
Unless
बनना पड़ेगा
someone
तो
is
यार।
making glamours illegally.
It's not technically illegal, miss. It's not encouraged for sure, but there aren't any laws specifically forbidding it.
So there's some sort of black market for glamours.
One would assume so. I imagine anyone with access to the proper books and training could theoretically produce a glamour.
Yet another thing to worry about. Black market or not, it's a pretty good match. Look at that. The buttons aren't exact either. There's an extra one here.
हाँ सिगरेट देखो
She got your perfume right.
How would she
Perfume?
know? How do you know what perfume I wear?
You can't fool this nose. Also, I saw the bottle on your desk.
Do you see that?
Could be a bruise. You're right. These buttons are wrong.
पता भी ये तेरा अच्छा
I
है इस बार
wonder.
What?
What? I need to open.
Snow, do you mind if I open her coat?
Bigby, just let me do it.
Okay, okay, super. 8 की प्लेस इन ना बस ये है डन ओके 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 शुक्र है ओके
It's not you, Snow. It's just a body.
Sorry, that took longer than expected. What have you found out? Well,
I am not
I
finished.
haven't finished yet.
well, get on with it then. We can't waste too much time here. The killer might be preparing another attack as we speak.
We should
रबड़
keep
क्या
going.
करते और आपने लगे बड़े के पक्के एक्सीडेंट ऐसे ही अबे सेम टू सेम परफ्यूम
What is that?
She had the perfume with her.
देख
Looks
कैसे
like
पता
someone
करना
picked it
पड़ेगा
out for her.
So, someone gave her instructions.
ठीक है
I've seen things like this before. It's definitely magic, though witches don't usually craft objects these days.
I don't think it's wise to fool around with that. It's some kind of black market magic. Who knows what it could do? We should have it looked at. Just to make sure it isn't dangerous. Don't you think?
You worry too much, Crane.
भाई
What?
There's something in here.
How do we open it?
I think I can figure it out. Something to do with these rings here.
हाँ एक सेकंड है वो सिंबल बना हुआ है शायद कब है वो मैं साफ साफ कर दूंगा आराम से हो गया
A deer. What does that mean? Oh,
बाल है यहाँ पर और इसमें फोटो अच्छा इसकी फोटो देखिए बस ये फोटो का फोटो दो इसका भी फोटो है तो नहीं इसमें भी नहीं चाहिए ना ये
someone must have taken this from my apartment. I noticed it was missing, but I didn't think this was the last picture I had of Rose and me. My sister and I
Rose?
don't talk much anymore.
ये रोज कौन है भाई ऐसे रोज दिखाओ कौन है भाई मैंने कुछ पहले रोज देखने रोज कौन है भाई लड़की पक्के ना बताया मुझे ये रोज नहीं है ये बेटी है भाई पक्का हाँ वो है ही नहीं फिर रोज तो कोई है ही नहीं भाई कौन दिखा रहा हूँ मुझे बल्लू 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 को बड़ा बल्लू को
Let me guess. It's my hair.
यार जानते हो तो
Yeah.
ओके
Who did this, Bigby?
हाँ ओ माय गॉड
She's a troll?
You gotta
अबे
be kidding me.
शुक्र है होली शिट यार
Holy shit.
Well, that helps explain the glamour. Kind of. Who is
अबे
she?
भाई
That wasn't there before. Who do you think she is? I don't know many trolls, I'm afraid.
Should have left them all back in the homelands.
Maybe Holly knows.
The owner of the Trip Trap? No, she looks a little... Oh no.
What
ए
is
वो
it?
तो नहीं
It's
जो
not
होली
Holly,
है वो
it's her sister Lily. She was reported missing, but I guess it just slipped through the cracks.
We have to
रे
go
मैं
tell
यार नाम
Holly.
से भी याद नहीं कर पा रहा था कौन कौन की
Who
कौन
knows?
क्या
She
है
might know something about
बस का याद
this.
वो है
Lily was
बिग बी
seen.
Well,
स्नो
certainly another
ब्यूटी
troll.
बीस्ट इस कजनी का क्या नाम है इसका वो बहुत ही कम लोगों के नाम पता है
You can't go out
मैं
there.
उसके भी
Why
नाम
not?
इसमें पहले बड़ी
It's
थी
too dangerous.
अरे
Someone
यार,
tried to
इसका
kill you.
नाम फेथ है
Bigby, you can't let her go out there
too
with you.
dangerous.
You'd be putting her life at risk.
Bigby is not in charge of me.
You're staying here.
And do nothing like I always do.
You're not coming with me, Snow.
You told Snow to
I
stay
should go.
behind नहीं यार मेरा डिसीजन ले लिया है मैंने कुछ ऐसा सोचते थे कुछ और होगा पर डिसीजन ले लिया यार सीधा साथ लेके चलते हैं यार उसे अरे यार से रहते यार बेचारे मजा आती है फिर तुम्हें फिर ऐसे बोलते भाई यार मरवा दिया मुझे ट्रिप ट्रैप बार
This whole thing is complete
तो-
bullshit and always has been.
इस वीडियो को मैं यहीं पर एंड करता हूँ बिकॉज ये ऑब्वियसली 20 मिनट से ऊपर पहुँची वीडियो हो चुकी है और मैं ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं करना चाहती बिकॉज यार बहुत ही लंबी वीडियो बन जाती है इसकी तो मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में तब तक के लिए बाय हाँ और वीडियो को कर दो लाइक चैनल कर दो सब्सक्राइब क्योंकि यार मेरे चैनल से सब्सक्राइब बढ़वाओ यार जल्दी से तो मैं चला वीडियो बनाने के लिए तब तक के लिए बाय मैं से बोलता हूँ बाय।